presenting a pre-owned 2019 Audi S4. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.